In early 2022, Sarah was stuck in a dead-end job. No tech degree, no connections, just long hours, low pay, and a growing sense of there has to be more. One night, she came across a story, a six-figure AI job that didn't require coding or even a college degree. Sounded like clickbait, but she was curious. Today, Sarah earns over $190,000 as a prompt engineer, working from home, on her own time. Sounds unreal? It's not. You just haven't heard the full story. Right now, millions are racing into AI, learning Python, signing up for machine learning boot camps. Everyone wants to build the next ChatGPT. But the highest paid job that no one is talking about isn't coding. It's prompting. Prompt engineering is the art of talking to AI, giving it instructions so it does exactly what you want. And in the right hands, that skill is worth over $200,000 a year. Imagine you run a skincare brand. You need a 5-day email campaign, a product description, and social media captions. Instead of writing it all from scratch, you prompt an AI, like this. Create a friendly 5-email sequence for a skincare launch targeting Gen Z women, focused on confidence, bedtime rituals, and natural ingredients. In seconds, the campaign is done. That's the power of good prompting, turning ideas into results. Prompt engineers make AI useful. Across industries, in marketing, education, law, customer service, design, they guide AI to do the heavy lifting. And that's what makes them valuable. OpenAI is hiring prompt engineers at $200K plus, Anthropic up to $300,000. Freelancers on Upwork are charging $150 an hour to write prompts for ads, videos, and research. The best part? Most people still don't know this job exists, which means if you act now, you're ahead of 99% of the world. You don't need a computer science degree. In fact, some of the best prompt engineers were teachers, writers, customer service reps, designers. If you know how to ask the right questions, if you can think clearly and communicate well, you already have the foundation. Prompting is not about coding. It's about creativity and clarity. Step 1. Use ChatGPT or Claude every day. Play with it, experiment, try different tasks. Step 2, keep a prompt journal. Save what works, note what fails, track patterns. Step 3, learn the frameworks. Role prompting, chain of thought, step-by-step thinking. This is a skill, and like any skill, you get better with practice. Step 4, share your best prompts online. Post on LinkedIn, write a blog, join prompt communities. Step 5, offer freelance services, AI ad copy, resume building, email automation. You start small, but you gain real experience. And soon, you'll get offers you never expected. Anyone can ask ChatGPT to write a blog post. A prompt engineer asks, write an SEO blog for a finance site targeting Gen Z women. Include 2023 stats and cite 2 credible sources. That's the difference. Solve business problems. Combine prompting with your industry knowledge, and you become a unicorn, someone AI teams need. This job didn't exist 3 years ago. There are no gatekeepers, no 10-year veterans. It's all new. The people who act now, learn fast, share often, and solve real problems will lead the next era of AI. And that person could be you. Sarah didn't wait. She acted. She learned, she tested, she posted, and the world noticed. This isn't about hype. It's about being part of something real. You don't need permission. You don't need a degree. You need curiosity and the courage to start. So open ChatGPT, write your first prompt, and step into the job the world is just waking up to.